Create a .csv file with values from a Python list. I am trying to create a .csv file with the values from a Python list. When I print the values in the list, they are all Unicode, i.e. they look something like this. If I iterate through the values in the list, i.e. for v in my list column print v, they appear to be plain text. And I can put a between each with print comma dot join my list. And I can output to a file, i.e. But I want to output to a CSV and have delimiters around the values in the list, e.g. I can't find an easy way to include the delimiters in the formatting, e.g. I have tried through the join statement. How can I do this?
Edit. This only works with Python 2.x. To make it work with Python 3.x, replace WB with W. See this so answer.
Use Python's CSV module for reading and writing comma or tab delimited files. The CSV module is preferred because it gives you good control over quoting. For example, here is the worked example for you. Producers.
Here is a secure version of Alex Martelli's.
The best option I found was using the savix from the number.py module. In case you have multiple lists that need to be stacked.
xlrd channel, please enter the link in subscribe.